guys, it's today. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I posted a video, but I have finally found some inspiration to film this one, and it is for my makeup that I do for Dabi. So I'm going to name this a tutorial because it is a little bit more of an elaborate makeup look, and I think I did a pretty good job at it. You can always tweak the makeup to suit yourself and how you like to do stuff. Always test your makeup products. But yeah, if you like what you see here, keep watching the video. Good luck. Let's go. Alright, here we go. First we need our lenses. This always happens when I put lenses in. My eyes get so teary. This is the part where I look like a complete egg for the rest of the tutorial, so I'm just gonna put my wig cap on because I am going to be face taping, and face taping when you already have makeup on is not fun. So first I'm just gonna dry the area so it's not oily for where I'm going to tape. Already so much better. As you can see, I've taped my eyelids. I'm gonna put a disclaimer. I'm Asian. I was born in Asia. My family is Asian. I'm not trying to look Oriental Asian. I have hooded lids and I cannot do eyeliner with them, and it really boils my blood as a qualified makeup artist not being able to do nice eyeliner like everyone else that has a better eyelid ratio. So I do it for some cosplays. I don't do it for all cosplays. As long as you are face taping for the sake of helping yourself make the makeup look better and not trying to change the look of your race, like, go for it. So after I've prepped my lids, I go in with a dark brown just to kind of go over the lids. And I really go into the eyebrow as well and into the socket here. I don't know if that's what you call it, but you know, just darken it up. I kind of go over my eyeliner with some black on my eyebrow brush and make everything a bit more smoky. Don't worry if it's messy. He's a villain. He kind of has to rough himself up. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I am just going to put a light layer of foundation where skin is shown. I don't really care much about my under eyes because, yeah, that's also going to be fixed up. I recommend getting a bunch of disposable sponges because you don't want to ruin your actual makeup sponge. So grab your liquid latex. You don't actually need liquid latex. You can use eyelash glue and a bit of tissue if you want. I just personally like using latex. I've got my makeshift palette. That is where your scar is gonna go. Make sure you get it to the corner of your mouth. So again, just suck in. That's the hollow. And to the corner of your mouth. I don't have a proper shirt for Dabi. This is just a pattern shirt that it's inside out because it's got a pattern on it and on the back as well. So I'm just using what I have. It's basically the same technique wherever his scar is. So I like dabbing the latex on because the more layers you add, it can basically naturally give you the wrecked skin look. Because I'm lazy, I love when that happens. When it just does it for me, it's great. Okay, so that's 2 layers of latex. I'm gonna wait for the first layer to dry. Just a disclaimer as well with latex, if you don't know if you're allergic to latex, put a little bit on the back of your ear or on your wrist here. Wait for about 5 minutes and see if you get a reaction from it. That's the easiest way. Now we're just going to map out our under eyes for Dabi. So to map out Dabi's eyes, under eyes, I grabbed a small brush and I'm taking a purple from my Morphe James Charles palette. Just like rough sketching out the shape and the size. Taking another layer of latex. Do not neglect your neck as well. So keep adding the layers there too. While it's drying, move your face a lot and you've got the wrinkles happening. It's just doing its job. Nice. So just be careful when you put latex underneath your eyes. You don't want to put it all the way up. You kind of just want to put it around and let that dry. Okay, so I put about 3 layers on right now. I am going to put maybe 1 more or 2 more on and I will be back. All right, so I've put in total now 5 layers. This is kind of what my neck is looking like. For a lot of the skin, I've taken a pair of tweezers and just gently pick at the skin. With my eyes, I gently pull them down a little bit. They kind of get their wrinkly look. So I'm going to take red paint as a base. So next I'm grabbing a blue paint and I'm gonna be super light with these layers because I want to build the color up just so I can get, you know, the exact color that I want. Next, I'm just going to kind of set everything with red and purple shadow and a bit of blue. I'm gonna quickly contour my face as well while I'm at it. Now I'm just shading with some dark brown in the little crevices and areas where it looks like there's blistering and rips. Going in with some purple and defining the line. Now I'm going to just quickly do my under eyes. Mainly just going in with the purple and really packing it onto my under eyes. Going in with the dark brown just on my under eye, just like closer to my eye. Great thing about Dabi's makeup is you can be as messy as you want. Man's all burnt to a crisp. He ain't perfect. Bring the shadow up a little bit. Going in with the smallest amount of black. And just going around the edge as well. Quickly connecting my eyeliner at the top to my under eye. Next I'm grabbing my eyeliner and I'm going to be roughly drawing a bunch of black lines on my face just to give me that more animated look, as well as just adding some darker colors onto my face. I don't know, I just like the look of it. I also do it on my neck. I'm taking a black shadow and darkening up my jawline because I do not have a pretty jaw like Dabi's, so this kind of helps me out a little bit. It is about time to add the staples on. I do not have staples. I cut up some duct tape. So grab whatever adhesive you want. I usually just use eyelash glue because eyelash glue dries clear on mine anyway. I just messily put it on my chin, and then any shininess I'll just cover with shadow. My camera died, but nothing much was missed. I put the rest of the staples on, and of course I checked on the wig. The last bit to this makeup is just shadowing the areas where the staples are. So just grab yourself a brown shadow and lightly add it to the ends of where the staples are. And then he's also got those dots on his nose, so I'm just gonna use brown. Just for mirrored purposes, this is my right side. Cool. Just in case if anyone was confused if stuff was mirrored. I just quickly added a bit of black on my chin, but with that, the makeup is complete. I hope I explained everything enough for you guys to kind of understand what's going on, and I hope everything was, you know, easy to follow. If you guys want to grab my lenses that I'm wearing, these are the Lollipop Aquamarines. They're from Hoshi AU. Use tsubunniittv for 10% off, save you some cash. If you guys want to see more of my Dabi cosplay, you can check out the photos that I posted on Instagram at tsubunniittv, and also my TikTok at kazekage with 2 Ks at the start. Check out the socials and everything down below in the description. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you like the video, comment, subscribe if you do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.